So today I want to talk about vetting. In another video I mentioned research. Research is important in no matter what facet of our industry you're in. You should always do plenty of research. It's only in your best interest. It's only going to make you better at what you do. And in the case of vetting, it's a preamble to vetting. So when you're looking to collaborate with anybody, you of course want to research them. And if it's especially with illustrators, or you want to that claim they have a history, you want to see that history online. So you want to do that. If they have websites, myself, I've been in the industry 16 years, and if you go on the internet, I do have a website, but I also have platforms that have been around a long time, and you can see my history from the very beginning. The very first post, you can even see the very first time my book went on sale in 2000 losing track of time here, 2008 was the first one, yes. And then the second was 2010. So there's a history of that online. It's still there, etc., etc. So you can see histories of people. So you want to do that research. But then, and this is where people also fall short, and again, it's something that people used to do naturally going to any career that they weren't familiar with. But now times have changed and people don't just jump in, and especially since it's become so easy with the technologies compared to before to do a children's book. We've seen this influx, and so nobody researches or looks into it, and just with the mentality of the internet, nobody thinks they even should. So you need to change your mentality, and you need to show the respect and look into the industry before you plan to dig out a little piece of it for yourself. So research, but vetting people, you need to take up that skill again that used to be a skill. You see so many things fall through, and it's always because they didn't vet. Not to say vetting will solve all things, because sometimes people can be tricky, but it reduces the chances of being messed over or miscommunications or picking the wrong people or whatever, almost completely. And the more you do it, the better you get at it. It's just like doing interviews. And it really is interviewing. Vetting is you interviewing each other. So you want to do it through emails. You want to do back and forth after you've already researched to see a history that you think, yeah, maybe we'll continue looking at this person. And then you talk to them and go back and forth and ask questions. And then it leads to, and people skip over this, and you should never skip it, and especially if you're dealing with people from across the world, you want to do audio and or video calls extensively. So you can see gestures, because you can tell a lot about a person when you're actually listening to them live as opposed to just text. Your intuition can kick in. You can pick up subtle things. Energy, whether it's a good collaborative energy, so many things. So you want to vet people thoroughly, no matter what field you're in. Start vetting each other. Then there'll be less misunderstandings and less scams and stuff like that. Just really research, and then when it leads to that, really vet each other. That's the solution. All these other more complicated things and philosophies and things of trying to protect yourself, no, just old-fashioned asking questions, interviewing each other. That's all you do. It's as simple as that. It's a skill to develop. Go develop it.